Thanks for being with us on Living Well with Robin Stoloff. It's an exciting new specialty of radiology. It's called interventional oncology, and it's one of the most rapidly expanding areas in the field. Here to tell us more about it is Dr. Nicholas Petruzzi, Director of Interventional Oncology at Atlantic Medical Imaging. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
What exactly is it?
Interventional oncology, it's a relatively new subspecialty of radiology that focuses on the minimally invasive treatment of certain cancer types.
What are some of the procedures that you do?
Some of the procedures we do involve placing needles under imaging guidance to either heat, which is called microwave, or freeze, which is called cryoablate, the tumor or cancer.
What types of cancer, generally?
There's a variety of different cancer types, but the most common ones involve liver tumors, kidney tumors, bone tumors, and lung tumors.
What are some of the advantages?
It's a minimally invasive procedure, some of which can be performed on an outpatient basis. The patient, in some cases, is able to go home the same day or avoid the need for general anesthesia and surgery. So
less pain, quicker recovery, obviously a lot better for the patient, done right there in the office. What about if a patient has more questions or needs more information?
They can visit us on our website. There's lots of information on there at www.ami-ir.com. Or they can call the office for a consultation if interested, 609-652-6094.
Dr. Nicholas Petruzzi on Interventional Oncology at Atlantic Medical Imaging. Thank you very much for joining us. And you're listening to Living Well with Robin Stoloff on Light Rock 96.9 WFPG.